Guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is CMA Satish Narayan here. I know it's been very long time but that I uploaded video, so because of the personal commitments and the other important things, I just stuck. And in the today's video, I wanted to share you a mock test which was supposed to be happening for the foundation examination in the month of September. Anyway, intermediate and final examination has been merged with the December 2020 examination. I know it's disappointing for many of the people, and because of the current pandemic situation, I think it's a wise decision to take this kind of merging of these two examination terms. Okay, I think we already discussed, right, the three possibilities what's going to happen for the June 2020 examination. I think in the current situation, I would like to say to you guys to take care of yourself, your family, friends, and if you are safe, tomorrow you can do a lot of achievements. That's what the hope we need to have in our life. Okay, and the foundation examination timetable has already been shared by our institutes. Okay, that's going to happen on Sunday, September 6th, 2020, between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. There are two subjects: Part 1 of Fundamentals of Economics and Management, which is for 100 marks, 50 multiple choice questions, and Paper 2, Fundamentals of Accounting, again same marks. And between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. on the same day, there are two hours of gap is there. You just need to do a revision for these two subjects. It is Paper 3 and Paper 4 for your foundation level. Okay. Also, the probable date of examination results is not announced. I guess it is 45 days from the examination. I mean, the completion of the examination date is what I can tell. The reason is, since it is an online examination, I think it will not take much time for the institute to do evaluation, all those things. So we can expect between 30 to 45 days of the completion of the examination. Okay. So one good news is, guys, is the mock test. Okay. So it is anyway, institute has announced that this examination, the mock test for the foundation will be conducted at the comfort of the home, right? So you can log in at your home without any difficulty or without the doubtful of going outside because of the coronavirus all situation. So it's very safely you can take the examination. And one more good news is, I assume that this term's examination results might be increased because many people got a lot of time to prepare for the examination, and since it is a completely a mock test papers, so it becomes very easy in case if you are fundamentally strong in these four subjects. Okay, especially fundamentals of accounting, you're damn sure that you will be able to get a very good marks, because that is a subject which I'm taking for the CMA students as of now. So today only my classes started for the December 2020 examination for the foundation students. Okay, time I already shared with you guys. Okay, so there are few do's and don'ts are there in this guidelines, guys. There will be an SMS which our institute will be sending for you guys with regards to the login details, all those things. You need to be aware and keep checking your SMSs. Institute also told that you need to have the government ID proof, that is your voter ID card, driving license, Aadhaar, or any other valid ID proof before taking the mock test. Okay, and this needs to be uploaded on the examination page before starting the examination. Very important, the key point. Okay, and please keep your login details, that is registration ID, name, and passkey, which will be sent by the institute, shared over email in hard copy or write on your paper before starting the examination. Once you open the examination page, that is the portal link, you cannot do alt tab or shift from page to page. Even it is applicable in your mobile application also. So do not do like that. Write down on the paper as instructed by the institute and do not skip any of the points. Okay. And you just need to sit in a place where your face is clearly visible on the that is a video, because it is a video based mock test, right? So your face should be completely visible or neatly visible on those things, and it should be logged in on the Chrome version only. And in case if you are using a mobile, it is Android version. And I would suggest you guys to sit in front of your mobile or your laptop before around 9:30 to 9:45, so that you are fine with all the things, and you need to take a deep breath before starting the examination. Okay, and there are two key important points which the institute has given with regards to webcam and your microphone. Please do these link test whether it's working in a good condition, or if there are any problem with regards to your webcam or your microphone. Please do check. Do not what I want to say, do not delay it. Okay, and internet normal speed is enough, guys. In case if you have having any of internet connection through your mobile or all those things, sit in a place or go to a place where internet was frequently working and there is no interruption in the internet connection. Okay, and uh, okay, Chrome they're given, and Android 5 and above version will work, and there should be a front camera should be available in the examination. I mean, in the mobile. Okay, so during the examination, the webcam and the microphones are enabled. The webcam microphone is not detected at the starting of the examination. The question paper will not load. They put it in a regular. Please do note. Okay. So only I'm telling. Please do cross check these two things. Okay. So do not backspace, refresh. All those things are not allowed. Once you started your examination page, as the starting, you cannot do alt tab, minimize, refresh, close. All those things. Do not do. Do not take a risk. That's what I want to tell you guys. Okay. And in case if you're taking in a laptop, ensure your laptop is fully charged, and ensure in case if you have a backup, ensure you try to have one more backup plan for your electricity your power backup for your laptop or your desktop. And in case if you're an Android user, I would suggest you guys to have 100% charge in your mobile and try to have one power backup. Okay, power bank backup. That's what I want to tell. Okay, and because I'm not sure in the mobile how much of the data it will consume by this web application, and I don't know how much of the memory, RAM, or ROM, all those things will be working in this live session. That is the reason I'm telling you. Try to have one power bank backup especially for your Android mobile. Okay. And in case if you are having any failure, unable to take the examination, all those things, there is an help desk given by our institute. So you need to contact through this email ID only. Okay. So you need to write to this email ID only. That is ICMA support at cocubes.com. Okay. Okay. And before taking the examination, this mock test also, institute has released one more step-by-step mock test. So you need to test the instruction given here, and you need to click here for testing the mock test. And your browser should have this self-assessment browser. That is the link which institute has given here. And once you log in, you will be asked the access token. You need to mention whatever is given in the red color, that is ICMA dash 2020, not in the code. Whatever is mentioned in the code, do not enter that. Okay, whatever is given in the red, please do that. Okay. And in case if you're an Android user, it will, as of now, as per this information, guys, it will work in the Windows as well as in the Android mobile only. I'm not sure iMac and iOS it will work or not. Okay. And in the mobile application also, you can download the app from this Google Play Store and ensure ICMA 2020 as an assessment key, and ensure it's working in a good condition. Okay. And in the login page, you need to give your registration ID, enter your own identification number or registration ID. You can put your the institute ICMA institute registration ID and your name as per your registration ID, and the passkey will be intimated to you before the test. That you need to enter. Okay. So these are the key points, guys. I think I'm so happy that institute has taken this decision for the foundation, because many people, in case if this is merged with the foundation, it would have been, in the December 2020 examination, it would have been very difficult for them. But since institute has taken this decision to conduct at least for the foundation level, that is a fundamental subject, it is very, very good decision. And whoever is unable to write the examination in the June 20, guys, do not worry. There is always a hope in the life. That hope should be part of your CMA journey. And with this, we'll end the video for the day, and stay tuned and stay safe. Satish signing off. See you, check, and bye-bye.